wanted to win. Yes, Marlon took a test to become a DJ. He cut the music when it's something this way. He cut the music with so much class. The sucker DJs was a bust on the ass. And when the time was up, they just couldn't believe what the man Marley Marl has just achieved. To get the people dancing on the wet ears jam. Cause Marley Marl is one hell of a man. So to those DJs that think you're the greatest, just stop, look and listen, cause you haven't heard the latest.
And there's 1,000 parts to play. Street life, until you play your life away. Street life. Street life. Street life. Oh, street life. Because there's no place I can go. Street life, it's the only life I know. Street life, there's 1,000 parts to play. Street life, until you play your life away.
So listen, party people, while I got your attention, there's a few more things I'd like to mention. My name is Crystal, but they call me Dimples. Ain't a female in the world could rap like me. I got big brown eyes, holes in my cheeks, hypnotizing rap every time I speak. Yeah, I can make you fall in love if you give me a chance. I ain't talking about sex or no kind of romance, but it's my style, my charm. You let me